I would never renew with a vendor that was wasting my money. And this is our third year with them. So I think that tells you what you need to know about how we feel about their ROI. But our cost per hire has gone down by about 30% on our work platform than versus all our other platforms. My name is Dominic Benvenuti. I'm a franchisee operating stores in Maine, Massachusetts, and New Hampshire. I chose to work with HourWork originally because I was interested in the text campaign for recruitment, for us to take people from our database, people who started an application or started working with us, left on good terms, and reach out to them by text to see if they wanted to come back or they were really interested in the job. Was intriguing to me. That kind of morphed into the other things that HourWork does. We find great value in the touch points, employee engagement, exit interviews, stay interviews. I would recommend HourWork to my fellow franchisees for the results we get. For example, employee engagement nowadays is the hot button. We have AppFlow. They've provided us AppFlow. We hire people. We need to keep people. They create touch points for us, such as 1 week anniversaries, 30-day anniversaries, 90 days, 6 months. Team members get a text message from me welcoming them aboard, or saying, hey, you've been with us a week. What can we do to make it better? How do you like it? Do you need me? And it provides engagement for them to share their thoughts or just say thank you for checking in on me. Exit interviews, surveys have been huge in helping us identify stores that need better culture, stores in which it could be the management teams chasing people away, and also things we need to do better in the company. Stay interviews, the ability to reach out to your people and say, what do you like about this job? What should we duplicate? How do we make it better for you? What's the one thing you can change if you could? These all come from leadership team, from myself and director of operations. And it gives the team members that engagement that this company wants to know how I feel about things. We talked about for years about wishing we can do that. Don't have time. Just don't have the ability to reach everybody. HourWork puts all that at our fingertips and does all the work for us. The team is easy to work with. One of the things you want with any vendor is you don't want to worry about it. You just want it to go. And with HourWork, you get that. So what are our results with HourWork? We usually staff our stores with each campaign. And with the retention tools that they've provided, our critically staffed store number has decreased steadily. Our turnover has gone down as well. We have a greater show rate on interviews. I would never renew with a vendor that was wasting my money. And this is our third year with them. So I think that tells you what you need to know about how we feel about their ROI. But our cost per hire has gone down by about 30% on our work platform than versus all our other platforms. So, thanks.